Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we are here for grade 4 language arts. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select language arts from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter word patterns, and the lesson is word patterns and tenses. Then we'll start the new chapter, that is prefixes and suffixes, and the lessons are identify base words, prefixes and suffixes, determine the meaning of a word with pre, re or miss, use the prefixes pre, re and miss. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is from the chapter word patterns and tenses. Here I am on grade 4 language arts, and the lesson is word patterns. Here I am on the lesson word patterns. Let's just start with the first with the lesson word patterns and tenses. Okay, complete the sentence with another word like the word in bold. So a dash journey is one with a lot of danger. So complete the sentence with another word like the word in bold. You have to, the bold word is danger. You have to write down the sentence in the, you have to write down the word in the blank, that is another word. Like the word, they have the same meaning but different word. So danger and dangerous, they both are the same words, both are different words, but they have same meaning. Got it? So basically, what are the patterns? Words with suffixes follow patterns. Noticing these patterns can help you recognize words that act the same way and help you figure out their meanings. Like happiness is the feeling of being happy. So happiness is the word from the happy. Then coziness is the feeling of being cozy. Got it? So let's just start with the pattern. These are the actually patterns. Let's just start with the test. You can wear fabric that is wearable. You can wash fabric that is, which is the correct option, washable, washes. It would be washable. Got it? You have to put the word able right after the same word. Like you can see the pattern wear and wearable. So here you have wash, then it would be washable. Got it? Okay, the next one is a pointless story doesn't have a point, and dash story doesn't have an end. So which is the correct option? Endless or ends? It would be endless. An endless story doesn't have any end. So the correct option is endless. Basically, you have to look at the pattern from the first sentence and then you have to put the same pattern in the second one. Like here, a woolen doll is made of wool. So word is wool. You added en to make the pattern in the first sentence. Now just look at the second word. A wooden doll is made of dash. So you added en. So to remove en, the rest of the word you need to put here. It would be Wood, very good. The correct option is wood. Okay, citizenship is the state of being a citizen. So dash is a state of being a friend, which is the correct option. It would be friendship. Here you have citizenship, you added ship at the end of the word, so it would be citizenship. Citizenship is the state of being a friend. Very good. Okay, the next one is there is a lot of snow on a snowy day. There is a lot of dash on a rainy day. So which is the correct option? Yes, it would be there is a lot of rain at on a snowy day. Got it? So it would be rain. The correct option is rain. Complete the sentence so that it matches the model. Something moving towards the west goes into a west yard direction. Got it? So something moving towards a dash goes in a skyward direction. So which is the correct option? Just look at the first sentence. It would be the model sentence. You have to match the word with the model in the next sentence. Got it? Yes, very good. That would be sky. The correct option is sky. A flavorless drink doesn't have any flavor. So a colorless drink doesn't have any color. The correct option is color. Colorless. So it would be it doesn't have any color. A booklet is a small book. Then a piglet is a small pig. It would be the small pig. Something is foamy. It has a lot of foam. Something is dash. It has a lot of sand. So which is the correct option? It would be sandy. The correct option is sandy. Very good. Okay, the next one is a clever person has a lot of cleverness. Then a sad person has a lot of, which is the correct option? It would be sadness. The correct option is sadness. A joyful memories brings you joy. A delightful memory brings you, yes, it would be delight. Option number one is the correct option. Loudness is a state of being loud. Dash is the state of being dark, which is the correct option. It would be darkness. Darkness is the state of being dark. A repairable lamp is the one that can repair. So a dash lamp is the one that can break, that you can break. So which is the correct option? It would be breakable. A breakable lamp is the one that you can break. If you move awkwardly, then you move in an awkward manner. If you move dash, then you move in a slow manner. So which is the correct option? It would be slowly. If you move slowly, then you can move in a slow manner. If you rescue someone, then you are the person's rescuer. If you drive someone, then you are the person's. Yes, it would be driver. The correct option is driver. Then you are the person's driver. The ironwork showed off the builder's use of iron. The woodwork showed off the builder's use of. It would be wood. Woodwork showed off the builder's use of wood. Someone is friendless if you don't have a friend. Someone is dash if you don't have a job. Which is the correct option? It would be jobless. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. So we're going to start the new chapter, that is prefixes and suffixes. Let's just start the new chapter. Okay, here on the new chapter, prefixes and suffixes. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is identify base words, prefixes and suffixes. Okay, let's just start with the definitions. Base words are the words that can be combined with prefixes and suffixes. They can also be used on their own. Got it? So basically the base word is the word that you can combine with either prefix or suffix. Got it? So they can also be used on their own. Look at the word unhelpful. The base word is help. Un, that is before the help, it would be prefix, and full, that is after the base word, it would be suffix. Got it? So that means the word that is before the base word is a prefix, and the one that is after the prefix is a suffix. Let's start with the word reconsider. Basically, the base word is consider. Re is the prefix, and the re means again. Got it? So together they make the word reconsider. Got it? That means consider again. Reconsider mean consider again. Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, what is the prefix in reconstruct? So, which is the prefix, re or construct? Basically, you have to identify here the base word, the prefix, or the suffix. So, basically, construct is a base word. Got it? And re is the prefix. Got it? The correct option is re. That would be the prefix. Which is the prefix of retry? So, which is the prefix? It would be re. Re is the prefix, and try is actually the base word. Got it? It would be re. That is before the word try, so it would be prefix. Which word is the base word? Mislabel. So, which is the base word? Label or miss? Which is the correct option? Yes, miss is the prefix, and base word is the label. The correct option is label. Very good. Okay, which word is the suffix of respectful? Suffix, you have to see. Which is the suffix? Suffix is the word that is after the base word. So, which is the suffix? It would be full. Respect is the base word, and full is the suffix. The correct option is second one. Which word is a suffix in spreadable? It would be able is the suffix in the word. Got it? So the correct option is able. What is the suffix of statement? Which is the correct option? It would be, yes, it would be meant. The correct option is, you need to find the suffix. That would be meant. State is the base word and meant is the suffix. What is the base word in recreate? The base word is create. The correct option is create. Very good. Okay, which word is a prefix of misunderstanding? It would be miss. The correct option is miss. What is the base word rejoins? Which is the base word? It would be join. The correct option is join. What is the base word in treatment? What is the base word in treatment? Treat is the base word. Meant is the suffix. Treat is the base word and meant is the suffix. What is the base word in gleeful? Which is the correct option? It would be glee. The correct option is glee. Full is the suffix, glee is the base word. Just read the question carefully. What is the base word? You have to identify the base word. The base word is the glee. What is the base word of solely? Which is the correct option? Yes, it would be sore. Sore is the base word and lee is the suffix. Which is the suffix of chewable? Which is the correct option? It would be suffix you have to identify. Just read the question carefully and then answer. You have to identify the suffix here. Chew is not the suffix. Able is the suffix. Chew is a word. Although able is a word, but here able is the suffix. Suffix is the one that comes after the base word. So when you are asking for the suffix, it would be able. Think and then answer. Don't answer right away. What is the base word? Mistreated. What is the base word? It would be treated. Miss is the prefix. It would be treated. Okay, which is the base word in crispness? So which is the base word? Yes, crisp is the base word. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is determine the meaning of a word with pre, re, or miss. So now we're going to learn the meaning of the words with these prefixes, like the word we that have pre, then you have re, and then you have miss. So the prefix pre means before. Whenever you can see the word pre, that means before. Like prefix. Prefix means pre is the word that comes before the base word. Got it? So pre means before. The prefix re means again. Redo means do again. The prefix miss means incorrectly or poorly. It would be misread. That means you can read incorrectly. Got it? The correct option is read incorrectly. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, what does re-enter mean? Enter again, enter incorrectly. Which is the correct option? Re-enter. Just re means again, so it would be enter again. Got it? The correct option is option number 1. It would be enter again. What does mistreat means? Miss means poorly, incorrectly. Got it? So, so mistreat means treat poorly. Option number 2 is the correct option. Miss means incorrectly or poorly. What does misspells mean? Which is the correct option? Miss means incorrectly. So it would be spells incorrectly. The second one is the correct option. Very good. Okay, what does preview means? View incorrectly or view before? Which is the correct option? Yes, it would be view before. Pre means before, so it would be view before. What does misunderstand means? Understand incorrectly or understand again? Yes, it would be the first option. Understand incorrectly means miss means incorrectly. That would be option number 1. What does redraw means? Which is the correct option? Redraw means Draw. Again, the correct option is re means again it would be draw again. What does mismatched means? Matched again, matched poorly. Which is the correct option? It would be matched poorly. The correct option is matched poorly. What does rewrite means? Write again, write incorrectly. Write again. The correct option is no. Re means again. It would be option number one. Write again. Option one is the correct one. Okay, what does reheated means? Heated again, heated poorly, which is the correct option? Reheated means heated again. Option number one is the correct option. Pre-packed. So which is the correct option? Packed before, packed again. Pre means before, so it would be option number one. Pre-packed means packed before. Very good. What does misbehaves mean? Behaves again, behave poorly. Yes, misbehave means it would be behaves poorly. Option number two is the correct option. Miss means poorly. What does reappear mean? Re means again, that would be appear again. Option number one is the correct option. What does misname mean? Name incorrectly or name before? It would be option number one, name incorrectly. What does misdial means? Which is the correct option? It would be miss means dial incorrectly. That would be option number one. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let's just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is use the prefixes pre, re, and miss. Now we're going to use these prefixes we learned in the last lesson. Got it? If I don't see the line any longer, but it might dash appear, which is the correct option? Reappear or misappear? But it might reappear. Got it? They don't see the line any longer, but it might reappear. Got it? Reappear means again appear. It might appear again. Got it? So it would be reappear. Okay. Dad already made dinner, so we can dash heat when we are hungry. Which is the correct option? Re or miss? It would be reheat. The correct option is reheat. That means they will heat again. Got it? Very good. Okay. Tonight I will dash pack my clothes for the trip tomorrow. Miss or pre-pack, which is the correct option? It would be repack. Tonight I will, sorry, pre-pack, not re. Tonight I will pre-pack. My pre-pack means pack before. Got it? Pre, not re. Re is not here the option. The boys tried their best not to dash behave. Pre-behave, misbehave, which is the correct option? Misbehave. The correct option is, it would be misbehave. Just look at the options carefully and just write down the option that is available for the question. If you don't like your drawing to the elf, dash draw it. Re or pre, which is the correct option? It would be redraw it. The correct option is redraw. Dash heat the water before you take your bath. Miss or pre? It would be preheat. Very good. Not re is not here again. It would be preheat. Eric didn't like the answer he had written, so he dash wrote it. Re or miss? Which is the correct option? It would be rewrote it. So he rewrote it. People may dash understand, so if you don't speak clearly, miss or re? It would be misunderstand or re understand. Or miss. What do you mean by or miss? It would be misunderstand. The newspaper made an error and dash named the person in the picture. Pre named or misnamed, which is the correct option? Yes, it would be pre-named the person in the picture. The correct option is misnamed. No, they made an error. So it is misnamed the person in the picture. Yes, that is misnamed. Sorry. Lara quit the basketball team and then Dash joined the next year. Rejoined, Mace joined, which is the correct option. It would be rejoined next year. Kathleen Dash discovers her love of camping every time she goes. So, which is the correct option? Re or miss? It would be rediscovers her love. Bobby was late because he dash judged what time he should leave. Re or miss? Which is the correct option? Rejudged. It would be misjudged. The correct option is miss. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 4 language arts. We have started with the chapter word patterns. The lesson we have covered from the chapter is word pattern sentences. Then we have started the chapter prefixes and suffixes. The lessons we have covered today are identify base words, prefixes, and suffixes. Determine the meaning of the word with pre, re, or miss. Use the prefixes pre, re, and miss. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So if you have any question, you can ask. No questions? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.